When working with the uniform distribution, sometimes we have the percentage that falls below a certain value, and we need to figure out what is that value. Finding these things is what is called finding a percentile. What a percentile is the percent below a given value. In other words, it's going to be the probability or the area in the left side. So if I say 25 is the 15th percentile, that means 15% of the area is to the left of the number 25. So let's go back to our example where the time to fix a furnace is uniformly distributed between 1.5 and 4 hours. And we've already drawn a picture of this going from 1.5 to 4 hours. We know it's a rectangle because it's a uniform distribution. Everything has an equal height. And we found out by subtracting 4 minus 1.5 to get 2.5. The height is 1 divided by that, 1 divided by 2.5, which gives us 0.4. We saw all that in the previous video. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at seeing if we can find the 32nd percentile of time to fix a furnace. In other words, at what number of hours is 32% of all repair jobs smaller than that? So let's draw a picture to represent this situation. We know that it's uniformly distributed from 1.5 to 4. We know the height is 0.4, and the rectangle uniform height goes across. We're looking for the value that's going to cut it. We'll call that value k, because we don't know what that value is. But it's going to cut it so that the area to the left is 32%, or 0.32. Well, this is a rectangle, and we know on a rectangle, area is equal to base times height. Well, to find the base, we normally take the top value, which is k, and subtract the bottom value, which in this case is 1.5. So the base is k minus 1.5. The height is equal to 0.4. And we know the area of the entire shaded region is that 32% to the left. So if we plug this into the formula, we get 0.32 equals the base, which is k minus 1.5, times the height, which is 0.4. Now this is just an algebra problem that we can solve. There's a couple ways to solve it. I always prefer to just divide off the 0.4 from both sides. And when I do that, we end up with 0.8 equals k minus 1.5. Now we can add the 1.5 to both sides. And we end up with k is equal to 2.3. In other words, our answer is 2.3 hours. We know that 32% of furnaces are fixed in less than 2.3 hours. 2.3 hours is the 32nd percentile.